In this video, I will show how to work on group number 3. Lloyd, Numpit, and Sophia, they are the member of group 3. So you need to break down the question first. What does the question say? It said accept the name of your favorite food in a text box. So you need to create one label and one text box. And you are going to display the total character, how many character we have. So you are going to use len function to count the character. Where are we going to display is that in another text box at the click of the command button. So we need to have another text box just to display the character. This also one label, one text box for display. And you need one command button. All right, let's work with Visual Basics. There we go. Use standard exe, click open. So we need to create one label, one text box. Okay, another label. It is for displaying the result, how many characters we have, and it is the text box that we are going to display the result. All right, and we need a comment button, one comment button. When we click this comment button, the result will display in text box number 2. Text box number 1, label number 1, we are going to change the name into your favorite food. Okay. Here we go, and remove the text 1, we don't want that. And for label 2, the name should be total character, right? Okay, and remove text 2, we don't want that. And for the command 1, let's say count total characters. So when we click this, we will show the total characters inside this text too. Okay, so let's write the code by double clicking this command button. It will show a form. That way we can write our code, and we are going to start writing. So you need to receive from text 1 and display the output in text 2. Before we display, we need to count and use the function len, remember? So let's create a variable. How do we create variable? We use dim statement. Dim, your favorite food. Okay, so let's say food as string. All right, the type of the variable food is string. Why? Because when we talk about food, we are not going to talk about number, right? Like, oh, I like number 1. What is number 1? What kind of food is that, right? So we use string because the name of the food is mostly in character or words. Okay. Food equal. So we want to use the len function to count total character in text1.text. All right, L should be capital, okay? And we want to display inside text 2, right? So you can just text2.text equal food. All right, let's see. My favorite food, let's say apple. Click this. Yeah, it is how it's work, right? Okay, why did I do like this? Because text2.text, it will receive from text1.text, and I create a variable food here. So I just link them. There is one more way you can do. You can just write in one sentence, text2.text equal len text1.text like this. Okay, it worked the same. So let's just say orange, click 6. See, doing like this is also okay, but it is better to do with variable. In the future, when you need to write a lot of code, if you create a variable like this, it will be more easier for you and you will not get confused by yourself. So this is the safer method. All right, I hope you can do in your midterm examination better than this. See you in the class. Good luck.